Erin from the News Literacy Project here. You're probably familiar with our Checkology Virtual Classroom, a free digital learning platform for middle and high school. But did you know we also have preset courses? Here's how you can get started. Let's focus on our Miss Info 101 course, which is one of our most popular presets that includes 8 lessons and activities. These are all easy to assign out of the box to teach useful skills like fact-checking and debunking rumors. Step 1. Visit Checkology.org to register for a free educator account. Once you are in your dashboard, click the Add Class button. This will take you to the class setup where you can add your class title, student type, grade level, and subject. Then, select Create Class. Next, click the Assign Course button. Select Change Course and scroll to presets by subject or skill set section. Click Assign next to the Miss Info 101 course option. Once you have assigned the course to your class, click on the Dashboard button found at the top to return to the course management area. Now, it's time to add students. Find the class you created, select Manage Students, then select Add Students. You can invite students to join with a link, or you can add students directly. Congratulations! Your class is ready to go. Now, let's cover a few FAQs in case you run into a snag. What if my video won't play? It could be because the default player is blocked in your district. We can change this in our course settings. Go to the settings icon in the top right, select Manage Account, look to the left under Account and select Video Preference. You can change this from Vimeo to YouTube or Wistia. What if this is too long for my class? You can edit the course to include all or some of the suggested lessons. To edit the course, click on the View Edit Course button to enter the course management area. Select Customize this course. From there, you can decide what adjustments you would like to make. An added bonus, our courses have pre and post assessments. While these are great, they can be turned off in your class settings if you're short on time. Go to your dashboard, select Edit next to the class settings, click Open Advanced Settings, toggle the pre and post assessment to off. Be sure to click Save. Hope this helps. Let us know how you and your students enjoyed the course. Need more support? Visit our Help Center.